Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Microsoft 365 Family on Windows 11, complete guide step by step clearly. Type in the URL for the Microsoft 365 homepage and hit enter. Once on the homepage, look for the Microsoft 365 Family section. Click on the Learn More button to view subscription details. Read through the features and benefits of Microsoft 365 Family. You'll be redirected to the checkout page for Microsoft 365 Family. Choose your payment method from the available options. If you already have a Microsoft account, sign in with your credentials. If you do not have an account, click on Create One to set up a new Microsoft account. Follow the prompts to create your account, including verifying your email address. Once signed in, review your order summary on the checkout page. Ensure all details are correct before moving forward. Enter your payment details as required. After completing your payment information, click Place Order to confirm your subscription. You will see a confirmation page indicating your subscription has been successful. Access Microsoft 365 applications by navigating to the Start menu. Locate and open any Microsoft 365 app, such as Word or Excel. You may be prompted to sign in again. Use the same Microsoft account you just created. Once signed in, you can start using Microsoft 365 Family immediately. Explore all the features and tools available in your subscription. Consider downloading the Microsoft 365 apps for mobile devices as well for added convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.